Hi everyone. In this video, I will share a secret coupon that will add $50 to your Uber Eats balance every time you apply it. Don't believe me? Check out my balance. I have $100 and I can keep doing this. Each time I do this, I get another $50 in my balance. You can use this balance to order anything you want on Uber Eats. This is a fantastic deal that you can't afford to miss. Stay tuned till the end of the video and I will show you how to do this Uber Eats trick step by step. So if you want to order some food for free, keep watching. The first thing you need to do is open your browser. It doesn't matter which one you use. Then go to this website called lucidcoupons.com. This website has tons of amazing coupons for different apps and websites, and they are all legit and working. But today, we are only interested in the Uber Eats coupon. So just find it on this website and click on See More. Here, you will see the coupon details. When you get here, you will find the coupon and its details. It has a near 5-star rating, so it works for most people. There are over 1,000 coupons available, so you can be confident that you will get yours. And of course, there is our coupon, $50 credit balance. So to get the coupon, click on Show Coupon button, but you will notice that the code is locked. Don't worry, we can unlock it in no time. Just follow the instructions to unlock the code, and it will take you to unlocking page. Here, it says that we need to complete 2 or 3 simple offers, and there is also a video tutorial on this page if you need help. The unlocking process is very easy and fast. It will take you less than 15 minutes depending on where you are from. When I click on one of the offers here, it takes me straight to the App Store, so everything is safe and secure. I don't want to make this video too long, so I will pause it here and come back to you when I'm done with the unlocking process. Alright guys, I'm back. After you finish the unlocking process, just go back to the Lucid Coupons website and refresh the page. Look at that! It worked like a charm for me. Now all you have to do is copy the code and go to the Uber Eats app and paste it there. That's really amazing, and don't forget that you can repeat this process many times. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.